Hey everybody, wanted to share some more of my Hurricane Helene cleanup project with you. It's the last day of September 2024. Friday night, Hurricane Helene hit Spartanburg County, South Carolina. Did all kinds of damage to everybody's homes and property, roads, power lines. Me and my buddy had just got back from recreational shrimping and got lucky and got a generator running that'd been setting for a while. Got my mom and dad's driveway cleaned out where they can get out. Got our driveway cleaned out. In-laws' property cleaned up some. And just keep paddling along. Thought I'd share some of this with you, using little Johnny to unload this 16-foot trailer. This is the second load on the trailer. Working pretty good. I'll see if I can get set up and let you see this. I've got 10 acres back in the back behind my shop back that way, and it's just like daylight looking through there now. It's like a 747 crashed through there. It wiped out 10 acres of hardwoods. Beautiful property. I love to walk and explore, and luckily my cabin survived it. Very strenuous hiking to get back there. See if I can get you propped up over here somewhere, let you see this. Thank you, Lord, for helping us survive the wrath of Mother Nature. I know it all has a purpose. Hope y'all are doing okay out there. See if this will get you set up here where you can watch what's going on. I'm gonna prop you up in the dirt here with a stick. I think that looks okay. Maybe a little bit more this way. Let's see what that's going to show you. Probably right in there. We'll try that. All right. That's a whole lot better than the way I put it on. Just a little bit more with the fork and get another load. Thank you, little Johnny. Maybe I'll see y'all on the water.